Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we will walk you through the process of securely delivering test reports to patients via CloudLIMS patient portal. This tutorial consists of a series of 2 videos. This is the first part of the tutorial in which we demonstrate how a patient can self-register on the patient portal with ease. A patient visits the website of your diagnostic laboratory and navigates to the branded patient portal set up by CloudLIMS. A new patient needs to register to access the patient portal. To register, the patient needs to click Register. The registration form opens. The registration form is configurable. We will demonstrate how to personalize the patient portal login page in a separate tutorial. Now the patient needs to enter personal details, such as first name, last name, email address, in the registration form and press Submit. After successful registration, the patient receives an email with a unique username and password to securely log in to the patient portal. The patient can also change the password for accessing the patient portal. To change the password, the patient needs to click Change Password, enter the new password, and press Update. Once the patient is successfully registered, the patient's record is automatically created in the patient module of CloudLIMS, eliminating any need for you to manually enter data. The patient also receives a separate email with a unique QR code as soon as they are registered in CloudLIMS. Your patients will automatically receive the updated QR code each time the laboratory staff updates any attributes encoded in the QR code associated with the patient record. The patient can have the QR code scanned at the sample collection site. The sample collector can quickly verify patient registration information during sample collection by simply scanning the QR code. After logging into the patient portal, the patient can update personal details. To do so, the patient needs to navigate to the Personal Details section, press Edit, update the necessary information, and press Update. The patient can associate himself or herself with the attending physician from the patient portal. The association enables a physician to receive a copy of the test report as soon as it is released by the diagnostic laboratory. To associate, the patient needs to press Associate Client, select a client type from the drop-down menu, choose a client or physician, and press Select. Thank you for watching the video. Watch the second part of the tutorial to continue learning how to securely deliver test reports to patients. For any suggestions or questions, please email us at support@cloudlims.com or call 1-302-789-0447.